My name is Ambrose G. and for my research question, I was doing my outline. My first research question was why are performance enhancing drugs good and bad for athletes? But after I got my result back on my outline, I had to do a little adjustment on my research question that was going to give me more information on the web. So my new research question I came up with was, should athletes use performance enhancing drugs like steroids, and should it be legalized in the sports industry? So, first thing I did was to type in sports and steroids or legalize. I came up with this from our previous topic on finding information on the internet, which is the Boolean operator. So after I type in this, I found a lot of useful information on the website, but most of them are like people personal views and other information. But these are also like good information, but I needed something more relating to what I was finding and something more stable. So the first thing that popped up was like an article from the ESPN that just talked about steroids and its different effects. But I mean, ESPN ESPN is legitimate information for sports, but however, I needed something more database and more important than just basic talking about the different effects. So my next search was took me to this article on the Global Sports Development website that just talk about steroid use among high school student athletes. So basically, this is a very good information because it has like some statistics in here talking about the different percentage and all of that with different references that you can click on. And I had to do another search too because I needed more information because I was making comparison the pros and the cons based on the prompt that was given me. So I had to do further research. So then my next search took me to this Mayo Clinic. This is a healthy lifestyle fitness that has different information talking about steroids use and sports. Why does it affect athletes, and also talks about legalizing legalizing steroids and other performance enhancing drugs. And then finally, my last search was the New York Times. It was just talking about this is more recent. It's an article from April 2015, so it's kind of more recent. And then I further went to do more. I went to do more research. So this is another article from the University of Miami University. So we know obviously this is credited source of information because it's from a accredited university. Just talking about how athletes feel that they need to take steroids and other performance enhancing drugs to do better in sports. And it's a very long article that talks about the pros and cons also with the different sites these information came from. And finally, this is another. So overall, typing in this into Google really helped me find like the information I needed. Like every um every every article I found had different information. So if I could change something, I feel like I will incorporate more words like more of the words that I listed in my outline. But the overall the information I was looking for, I found them, and then with like specifying legalized in here and using Bolognese operator really helped me narrow my search down. So for the future, I will try to like come up with a better with a better research question that will help me narrow my findings, and also I will do more search for like scholarly articles and other information that have more data to back up